We're gonna try something together. Something that we never did before. We're gonna try to record the Cutie Pugs, and we're gonna try to record it in Anishinaabemowin language. Quay!
Hi, my name is Lawrence.
Hi, my name is Cedric, and we are blah blah blah.
Quay, my name is Stephanie Tenasco, Stephanie Tenasco Nindishnikas. We are at the Kitigan Zibi Cultural Center, and I work in the language program. So I work on Algonquin language revitalization, Anishinaabemowin.
Let's hear it and read it.
Wait, I want to get a break first.
Guys, we have a problem.
What's the matter, baby?
Our water dish is empty.
We need to fill it up.
Dubbing, you're taking any videos, a series, a TV shows, a documentary, YouTube videos, and you're just re-recording the voices that has been made with your own voice to be able to translate it to another language. For example, Anishinaabemowin.
Abijitoda. Yeah.
Okay,
You're gonna say that. Some people speak the language, but didn't pass it down to their families or their children because it was instilled in them not to speak their language, not to speak the Anishinaabemowin language, and they thought that was the right thing to do at the time.
Okay. Ne awasawadidi.
Ne awasawadidi.
Oh,
Yeah.
I love it. Let's do that, okay?
Ne awasawadidi.
One take, man. And the kids were amazing. Stephanie, who did one translated text for us to be able to do one Cutie Pugs video in Anishinaabemowin, language, and we did it.
Clay, Naji Pugs. Quitity.
Pejik, Nij, Niswe.
Opposite power!
Just having that engagement with the language and incorporating, I guess, that pop culture, you could call it. So best of both worlds and then finding that middle ground.
We hope that it will have a little impact. Some of these kids tonight going home telling anyone, oh, we did something, different today at the camp. And by the way, we did one video, I recorded a few lines, in our language, or in your native language.
I think my view on language learning in any type of learning is that you might not reach 100 kids, but you might reach the one or two. Perhaps they want to become like a movie maker or want to do cartoons or something like that, something to introduce them to something that they've never been introduced to before, and then use their cultural background to bring that to life somehow.
Ne awasawadidi. Didi Lido Kazo.
Owa Kimi Nobode.